Hey, it's Dale from quiltingcowboy.com. I am super excited. I just uploaded, because I just finished my pattern Rhinestone Star. Anyhow, it is now available for sale. Just go to quiltingcowboy.com and click on the shop tab and you can download it directly. As always, when you download it, it's a PDF. And embedded in the PDF are links that take you directly to tutorials so that you can follow along with me as I make it. So there should be no questions, but as always, you can reach out to me if you get stuck. Anyhow, again, I'm super excited about this one because, and again, I don't have it behind me, I normally do, but I had to ship it off to Wyndham Fabrics because it's a collaboration with them, and they asked me to create a special, unique quilt pattern specifically for their new line called Inkwell. And I love, 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 love the fabrics, right? And this is the block that is incorporated into my new work. I really hope that you like it, and thank you again for supporting me by buying patterns. And as always, check back to quiltingcowboy.com or on my Facebook page or Instagram, and I will talk to you soon. All right, thanks again.